Namah Shivaya.
Long ago, before the stars settled in their places and before even time learned to count itself, the great Lord Shiva opened his third eye. From that cosmic blaze were born 8 guardians, 8 forms of his own boundless energy, known together as the Asta Bhairavas. Among them shone one who was not the loudest roar nor the fiercest flame, but the wisest light. His name was Ruru Bhairava, the teacher, the protector, the healer of ignorance. Let's hear his story and pray to him.
Birth of Ruru Bhairava. According to the Rudra Yamala Tantra, when the gods were losing their strength to the dark forces of ego and confusion, the universe trembled. The Devas prayed, "O Mahadeva, knowledge itself is fading from our hearts." Hearing this, Shiva smiled. From his gentle breath emerged a radiant beam, half fire, half moonlight. That light condensed into a divine figure, crystal bright, serene-eyed, holding a vajra, thunderbolt, and a danda, staff. Thus appeared Ruru Bhairava, the embodiment of Shiva's compassion mixed with discipline. The Kalika Purana says his very voice carried the sound Ruru, meaning the soft yet mighty roar of truth. He was given the northeast direction, Shanakona, the sacred zone of wisdom and meditation. His Vahana, the white bull Nandi, symbolizes pure knowledge that never tires. In the same era, there lived a powerful Asura named Shankasura, disciple of the dark sage Maya. Through twisted tapasya, he stole fragments of the Veda mantras, using them to control natural forces. Rivers changed course, seasons disobeyed, and even the priests forgot their sacred tones. The Siva Purana tells that this theft of wisdom was worse than any war, because without true knowledge, Dharma itself collapses. The Devas gathered at Kailasa, crying, "Lord, even our prayers echo back in silence." Then the voice of Shiva thundered across worlds. Where ignorance spreads as darkness, let Ruru Bhairava descend. Ruru stepped forth, his form glowing like lightning trapped inside crystal. He carried not a sword, but the Vajradanda, symbol of spiritual discipline. At his side rode the white bull, its hooves ringing with the rhythm of Om. When he entered the battlefield, there was no sound of war. The very demons froze, for Ruru's eyes were calm as deep water. Shankasura laughed. "You come without weapons? You wish to fight with silence?" Ruru smiled. Silence holds the voice of truth, and truth shatters pride. He struck the ground with his staff, and from that strike emerged a wave of pure sound, the lost Vedic tones themselves. The hymns returned to the heavens, the demons fell asleep in trance. Shankasura's illusions broke like glass, and realizing his folly, he bowed before Ruru. Rather than destroy him, Ruru touched his head and blessed him. "May your strength now protect, not corrupt." The Bhairava Tantra calls this the war of sound, Shabda Yuddha, the only battle ever won through pure vibration. Ruru Bhairava's form scriptures describe him beautifully. Complexion: crystal white, symbolizing truth and transparency. 4 arms holding a Vajra, Danda, Trishula, and Kapala Mala skull garland, signifying mastery over body, mind, speech, and ego. Mantra Om Hrim Ruru Bhairavaya Nama. Chanting it removes confusion and fear of failure. Lord of the Northeast, protector of teachers, students, and seekers of higher truth. After restoring the Vedas, Ruru didn't return to Kailasa immediately. He stayed among sages to teach them the right rhythm of worship. Legends in the Tantra Raja Tantra say that even Brahaspati, the guru of the gods, once sat at Ruru's feet to learn the balance between knowledge and humility. Ruru taught, a mantra without meaning is noise. A mind without patience is chaos. And a warrior without compassion is a demon. These teachings spread through all worlds as Ruru Vidya, the science of peaceful strength. Symbolism and inner meaning. Ruru Bhairava is not merely a god of protection. He is the guardian of inner discipline. His danda teaches self-control. His vajra shows unshakable clarity. His bowl reminds us to stay grounded. His direction, Shana, connects to the Ajna Chakra, the seat of awareness between the eyebrows. Meditating on Ruru awakens focus and compassion simultaneously, knowledge guided by kindness. That's why monks chant his name before study and warriors before battle, for clarity without cruelty. In today's world of constant noise, social media, anger, argument, Ruru Bhairava's lesson is crystal clear. Silence is strength. Knowledge is protection. Compassion is victory. When you sit quietly and think before reacting, you are already invoking Ruru Bhairava's energy. When you share truth without arrogance, you walk his path. And when you forgive ignorance, you become a warrior of wisdom. For devotees, ancient texts prescribe simple worship. Face northeast at dawn. Light a white ghee lamp. Chant Om Hrim Ruru Bhairavaya Nama 108 times. Offer sandalwood or white flowers. It is said that even a single sincere chant can dissolve confusion and guide one toward right action. In villages of Nepal and Kashi, small temples of Ruru Bhairava stand quietly at the corners of learning centers, protecting seekers day and night.
As the Kalika Purana ends its section on Bhairavas, it says, among the 8, Haru shines as the moon among stars, gentle in light, fierce in purity. So, remember this, dear listener. Ruru Bhairava did not slay with swords or thunder. He conquered by awakening the light within hearts. Every time you choose understanding over argument or peace over pride, Ruru smiles through you. May Bhairava bless you all.